check the fluid level.
Why would you do that?
So we found this vacuum line just floating around. So definitely one of our problems. So we'll get that plugged up. Not sure what's it hooked to. We'll see if we can find that. Leaks a little bit of gas for sure. Are you having fun over there, Patrick?
Oh yeah.
All right. So we have sparked all 8 cylinders. But we don't seem to have enough compression to be running it idle because they seem to be missing a lot. So I'm thinking this engine is pretty tired and that it's definitely 118,000 miles. This poor old girl. And we have 0 brake pedal, so I'm not really sure. Ooh, that felt good. Oh, that looks beautiful.
They're supposed to have rust in them, right?
Oh yeah. Ah, holy cow. This might be a little sketchy to drive. No problems here. No problems. Well, let's get the brake fluid. Holy cow. This pedal's getting harder. Is it going down?
Yeah, the fluid level's starting to drop there.
Alright, we got it to idle a little bit. Gaskets are all blown out of here. We're gonna see if this thing will drive out of its grave. Tires are a little sunken in. But what's the chance? It's running like a top. Alright? I think she's ready for NASCAR. Let's get this baby moving. What's the chance? Hold on, I'm gonna roll down my window. Yeah. There we go. Oh! Door is sealed. Okay. Do we have any transmission? Okay. I don't think she's gonna move. Hold on. Maybe we have reverse. We should check the fluid level. Why would you do that? That's the transmission. Seems like she's got some issues. You got a little wiggle there. Oh no. Well, let's see. That opens pretty easy.
It's too easy for a pickup this old.
Oh yeah. Well, that wasn't very impressive. Holy cow!
That's why it won't move.
I don't think it's even shifted really yet.
No, it wasn't even trying. Well, except for once. I guess it tried a little bit.
Well, she's out of the grave, but we had to pull her with a Ford with a Cummins in it. It's kind of a sad fact to have to pull it out of its grave. But it tried. We just didn't have any ATF or any way to get some in there, so we'll have to try to tow it home and then try to get her going. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's been there for a little while. What do you think, Bo?
Got a bungee cord, Andy.
Holy cow. We got a bungee cord. Sweet.
See if we can get some air in these tires over in the shop. None of the brakes seem to be locked up though, that's a good sign.
It just didn't have enough power to get out of the holes, I think. So let's see if we can get her started. Oh, come on, Betsy. Everything's well lubricated.
A little WD-40 on there.
Let's see if we can get this baby to ugh. Boy, why did they stick those way back there?
Yeah, that stick's pretty dry.
It was on the stick, but then it wasn't on the stick. That was pretty weird. Alright. Hopefully this is gonna do the trick.
That's pretty stable in there, it looks like.
I think so. Except where I can't see what I'm doing. baby for a ride. I think our brakes are making a little bit of noise now that I tried to pump them. This baby's got some power. Oh yeah, and no brakes. So in order to stop this, you just throw it in neutral like this. Definitely recommended. Then you just kind of let it coast a little bit, then you just snug it into reverse. And now we're going backwards. Holy cow, now we're coasting way too fast. Let's see if I pump the pedal. Oh yeah, it feels like we're just locking these brakes up. We're pretty good with that camera, man.
Yeah, they're grinding now, so they...
Hopefully they're not all locked up.
Yeah, you wouldn't be rolling this easy if they were. Those old drum brakes.
Oh man, we don't even have a radio. This guy was a cheapskate.
Lots of mouse,
Hey, don't judge
poop,
me.
and
Well, do we try to make it home?
let's go for it.
Let's do it. Give it a shot. Okay, we've definitely got gears now. Let's see if we can make this baby home. I'm sure she's not going to make very good gas mileage. We're going to have to conserve on fuel. We got Patrick following me in the Cummins. Oh yeah, this baby. She's the smelly one. Getting closer to home. Well, I don't know about you guys, but this is pretty exciting. Horn works. Probably drain the battery with the board. I mean, there's definitely probably a couple of mice in here. I don't know, maybe they died. I just want to make it home alive. There's definitely some major decisions whether to fix this thing or to just use the bodies and swap it. Put a Cummins and something like that. Look at this view. This is Butte, North Dakota. Just cruising in this 67. camper special. This thing's pretty sketchy. We're just cruising Maine here. Powerful town here. It's pretty huge. This is life in a small town. Oh yeah. This is getting a little sketchy. Can't believe we made it this far though. Oh man, we made it, Patrick. Let's just see what this looks like under here. Oh yeah. Must have been 8 miles. I think it's 8 miles.
Do you have any brakes at all?
No brakes.